Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, create administrator account with CMD on Windows 11, 10 easy method. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Net user shows all user information. Net user new administrator account name /add. New user is added to administrators group. If you want to delete administrator account using this command, I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.